Hello, my name is Mark Dieterich. I'm the CEO of TDA Kennedy Niemeyer Insurance. We're here to help you navigate the ever-changing landscape of personal auto and home insurance. Over the past 2 years, we've seen unprecedented changes in the industry. We want to ensure that you understand what's happening with your policies, premiums, and coverages. Let's start with home insurance. Several factors are driving rate changes and coverage adjustments, including inflation, weather patterns, and claims impact. Inflation has significantly increased the cost of building materials and home repairs. For example, interior home building costs are up 57%, lumber is up 52%, and roofing is up 36%. Additionally, weather patterns continue to worsen, leading to more frequent and severe claims. In 2023 alone, there were 28 separate billion-dollar weather and climate disaster events in the United States. Insurance companies paid out $1.12 in claims for every dollar of premium collected in 2023. Severe convective storms accounted for 73% of the catastrophic claims, while 40% of the non-catastrophic claims were related to water damage. Underwriting practices have also evolved. Home inspections are more rigorous, and technologies like CAPE Analytics are used to assess roof conditions and surrounding environments. Any maintenance issues or hazards found require repairs typically within 30 days, or coverage will be terminated. To prevent losses, it's important to maintain your home and consider installing water sensors, temperature monitoring systems, and sump pump backup systems. These measures can help avoid large water losses and may even qualify you for discounts. Be aware of coverage reductions or limitations, such as actual cash value roof schedules and exclusions for cosmetic damage. It's crucial to understand all the coverage details, not just the price. Now, let's talk about auto insurance. Inflation, supply chain delays, and distracted driving have all contributed to rate changes. Auto parts costs have increased by an average of 10% per year. Repair labor costs have seen their largest increase ever. Distracted driving incidents have increased by 30% from 2019 to 2023, leading to a higher frequency of claims, larger claim payments, and an increase in fatalities. Additionally, changes in Michigan's auto reform law resulted in more lawsuits and increased liability claims expense. Rate increases vary by carrier, with some experiencing double-digit increases. Auto insurance is shifting towards covering more catastrophic claims, and higher deductibles can help lower the cost. Consider using telematics driving device habits for potential discounts. Avoid common mistakes like opting out of personal injury protection or not disclosing all drivers in the household. At TDA Insurance, we're committed to helping you understand your coverage and make informed decisions. If you have any questions or need assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you for choosing TDA.